So after that, sir told us, "Oh, there he is.
Hello everyone.
Hey,
Hey bro. Sir.
Hey, where were you?
I was just a little busy.
Oh, okay.
Guys, it's 59 already.
Guys, please calm down. Let's count down.
ah, I see what you did there. Anyways, 10, 9, 8,
8, 7,
7,
6,
6,
5,
5,
4,
4,
3,
3,
2,
2, 1.
1.
Happy New Year, guys!
Oh,
Okay, I gotta go now. Meet you all soon.
Bye.
I
Wanna know how a year passes by? Hop on a ride. It all started in the month of January. We were all excited for the next semester. To be honest, to meet our friends. We were all just fooling around, joking here and there, pranking each other, making funny videos. And capturing moments. That's it. We're all having a perfect life. While all of a sudden, lockdown happened. We switched on our TV to know if this was for real. What's the worst that can happen? Well, the worst was pretty worse. We had nothing to do but support. We're all locked at home with nothing in our mind about what to do. We mostly did nothing. And we're worried for ourselves and our loved ones. Some were in shortage of food, some were homeless, while some were eating whatever they got. It was a tough time for some of us.
Day 4 of lockdown. Which day is it? Day 8. Day somewhat of lockdown.
Then came the day when unlock was introduced. We took our mask and just went away. We went on to explore every corners of our city with whatever means we got. Car, bike, you name it. We just wanted to get out of our homes and feel the fresh air. And we also roamed around with the family, took some scenic routes, and this went on and on. We never imagined 2020 to be like this. Spending quality time with fam was better than ever. Until November came by, and the student in us had to be awakened once again. Seeing all the pending tasks, we just did what every student does one night before exam. We just went all in. But that wasn't enough for us. We had deadlines to cope, friends on whom we had hope, with no other scope. Nope. That was not how we planned 2020, right? Anyway, the heat was on. And a very small time gap to deliver in. We went on submitting all the assignments, all the projects, everything that came in our way. And were prepared for the exams to hit us one last time before next sem. We never knew 2020 would be this tough. But only going through this, we made ourselves stronger than 2020. Damn, this will be remembered in history forever. That was how a year passed by for most of us. But that was not all the things that happened in 2020. During passing of the whole year, there were some experiences that came through with us too. The ugly experience of life in 2020. Being all alone by ourselves sometimes can be frightening in itself. There were dark times in 2020. which we would never forget, even if we wanted to. We even felt our lowest self in 2020, not knowing what we are doing. Did we got it right or are left behind? 2020 got us questioning like, why is this happening to me? Why is this traumatizing me? Self-doubt, anger, anxiety. We all behave differently than ourselves. Trust me when I say, we even felt like giving up.
Too much. I'm just done.
Overthinking, sleeplessness.
What is the meaning to this?
We're left in the shadows. That was all the negatives we got to know about ourselves. Looking at the bright side, how far have we progressed? 2020 was the year, people. At the end, we just made it to the other side. That's it. That's what matters at the end. Yeah, makes sense. We lost ourselves, we found ourselves, and we were off to better tomorrow. We were confused, not knowing what the future holds. We remained at home doing our work. We slept, waiting for the night to pass by, waking up to a better tomorrow. My take from 2020: live before you.
Wake up.
Is it 31st yet?
Yeah, man. 2020 is about to get over.
Cool. Man, what a dream. I just went on to connect the dots. What was life in 2020? Was it traumatic? Were we worried? Or did we live? In the end, I could only say that life in 2020 just happened. It may have felt like a decade, but looking back at the starting of 2020, it just felt like yesterday. So cheers for the years ahead, guys. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year, guys.